Okay, so in this problem, we are going to look at the rough and finish. So we are going to reorder the operations from the previous question. So we are going to combine all the roughing operation and all the finishing operation, and we are going to apply this definition. Alright, so let's do that. So here we are going to generate operation plan. So from here we are going to order the operation from rough and finish. Alright, so we have all these. So we are going to combine the operations and we'll combine the countermeasure operation as well. So from here you are going to apply these definitions. So we select the two 20 mm. So pattern is pocket out, step over 60. So first cut amount 70, 90. Entry method spiral. The pitch is 4, radius 7 mm. Then we'll apply a spiral entry method to all. So we'll click here, apply to all. So that's it. So just okay and generate two paths. Alright, so you can see it has been generated. So edit definition for the finishing tool as well. The tool here is 12 flat end mill cutter. Okay, so first cutter mount 6080. Remember here is percent of 2 diameter. Cut method is climb. Entry method none. Alright, so the leading type perpendicular, leading overlap 3 mm, lead out type same as leading, so same as leading. Alright, okay, so we generate two parts and then we'll look at the total machining time. So you can see it takes this time to machine the parts. Okay, alright, so this time seems a little too much. This is about 9 hours. So let's check our definition again and do some editing to see if everything is correct. So let's check it again. The two 20 mm flat sand fees and speed defined by library. Roughing step over 60. Step over 60. Roughing pattern pocket out. Alright. First cutter mount 7090 0.4. Entry method spiral 4. Right, so let's change the radius to 7 and then apply to all. So do OK. Let's check the finished two part as well. Leading type perpendicular. So we'll change here to perpendicular. Leading overlap 3 mm. Then we'll apply lead in and lead out to home. Okay, so let's check it again and see. Okay, so it's still the same thing. Alright, so let's simulate it to be sure if what we have is actually correct. Okay, so you can see there are some parts yet to be machined. Alright, so everything here has been machined perfectly. Okay, so with the simulation everything seems fine. So we are going to stick to this. We are going to stick to this. Alright.